Okay, so right here, the reason that you're not seeing any damage where you got this 1 or 2 shingles that is, you know, obviously a different color shingle than the rest of the roof. So you don't have any shingles that these right here are tucked up underneath to show that this repair right here was actually successful. This is an unsuccessful repair because you got this shingle here, but if you look right here, that shingle that was supposed to be above that is tore completely off. The shingle that was right here above this one is tore completely off. So I'm really questioning why, you know, somebody would think that patching this roof could come out to be successful. And then if you look right here, you can see that this shingle right here is creased and they nailed through the face of it. This shingle right here, we had to put a tarp underneath it because, you know, it was completely creased. And then this is my second time back out to the property. And if you look, now you got 2 shingles laying down in the valley. And that is all due to the life of this roof. I mean, look at these granules. This roof is completely cooked. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove one of these shingles. We're gonna do a repair attempt and we're gonna see whether it creases, cracks, and whether doing a repair on this roof can come out to be successful or not. All right, so we're gonna start with breaking the strip. Let's see. Now, because of how they got these, or whoever was the last person to put this roof on, so if I wanted to remove one full shingle, it was actually split between two shingles. So I'm actually having to remark this out just so you guys can get an understanding. So right here, you know, here's this shingle, and you know, the way they did their stair step, you know, with every full shingle that you have, there's actually two shingles above it. So this right here is the shingle that we removed, and then when going to nail it back, you know, it split the difference with two shingles. And you can see right here, which I'm not for sure in the video if you could actually hear it as I was lifting up to nail that shingle back. You got a shingle that's damaged here. You got a shingle that's damaged there. So, and you can hear the granules. Like, I mean, you can literally, if you listen to them, I mean, the granules are just coming off this roof, and it's actually real slick being up here, which I know I don't have cougar paws on or anything. But that is exactly why these two shingles, or this little patch job up here, is also not done successfully, because anything you attempt to repair on this roof itself, it's getting damaged. And you know, I didn't have my selfie stick up here. All I had was this little, you know, thing that you can sit your phone on. But you know, there's laminates laying all over here. You got two more shingles that were not here last time I was here. They were blown off, laying in the valley. You know, this roof, it's just reached its lifespan. It's definitely time for the homeowner to have a new roof, and it is also unrepairable. I mean, look at this. Whoever went to put these in, they damaged this one. And because they damaged it, they tried to nail it back down. Well, guess what? The shingle that was supposed to be below here ripped clean off. Over here, same thing, ripped clean off. Over here, ripped in half, clean off. Laminates flipped up, two more shingles laying in the valley. And it's just showing you, man, this roof is too brittle. It's reached its lifespan, and it needs to be replaced.